Hello students, today we start a new topic, tender submission and evaluation. So in this topic we discuss first bid evaluation. So illustrative example for evaluation of a bid based on different scheme, like consider a project whose estimated cost is 1 lakh rupees and the detail of financial bid submitted by the four different company or four bidder are given in a table, like a bidder is a ABCD or a company name is a ABCD, and here financial bid in a rupees is given, like 95,000 rupees, 87,000, 64,000 and 76,000. So evaluation criteria: award to lowest bidder. The project is awarded to bidder C because here total amount of the bidding amount is given is a lowest amount is 64,000 rupees, and total project cost is a 1 lakh, estimated cost is a 1 lakh rupees. So given to awarded to bidder C. Now start the discussion. Let us consider the project whose estimated cost is uh, say 1 lakh, and the detail of financial bid submitted by the four bidder is given. So here as we discuss, the lowest uh, amount of the bidding is 64,000, so the bidder is C, so project is awarded to C bidder. Like another example, like consider a project which four bidder have quoted and the estimated cost of the project is 1 lakh rupees, and the detail of a score in a technical bid. The value of financial bid is given, like a financial bid here numbers is given in 1,000 rupees. So like here bidder A score of the technical bid is 80,000, and financial bid in 1,000 is 1,10,000, and similarly for a bidder B, score of a technical bid is 75,000, and financial bid is given 98,000, and C is a 45 score bid, and 85 is a financial bid, and bidder D, score of a technical bid is 60,000, and financial bid is a 100, means 1 lakh rupees. So evaluated out of 100 based on certain criteria. Evaluated the bids based on the following criteria. First is a technical score must be more than 50. So here technical score is more than 50 is a bidder A, B and D. So bidder A, B and D have a technical score more than 50, and only technical qualified bidder cost only criteria to select the contractor. So bidder C is disqualified because criteria: first, technical score is less than the uh, 50, so bidder C is disqualified. So bidder A, B, D are qualified in a technical criteria, and arranging A, B, D in a ascending order. So first is first bidder is a B, then after D, and then after A. So 98,000 is a minimum, then after bidder D. Financial bid is a 1 lakh rupees is a bidder D, and then after higher amount bidder is a bidder A is a 1,10,000 rupees. So hence the B is awarded for the job. So bidder B financial bidding is a 98,000. So in the case the decision in against simple B is awarded the job. So what we have done here is said that there is threshold technical score beyond which everybody is equal, and so we are doing not trying to different between the D which score is 60 point and A which score is 80 point on a technical bid. So alternate scenario, evaluate the bid based on the some of the criteria, like two criteria is given at here. So first one is a technical score must be more than 50, and second is a job is awarded to bidder with highest composite score evaluated by the consider equal weightage for a technical and financial bid. Now table is repeated, like serial number, bidder, score of the technical bid, and the financial bid in 1,000 is given. So how do we converted the quoted price, which is financial bid, into the marks, so that we can arrive at a composite score? Now one alternative or possibility could be awarded 100 marks uh, to the lowest bid and allocate marks to the other proportionally relative to that. So here we get exercise of the course. C get the eliminated in a first round because its a bidding price is lowest price, like 45 technical score and 85 in a financial bid. So its a technical score is a less than 50. Now another three bidders, bidder A, B and D, is technically score more than 50. So these three bidder is counted. So bidder B gets the 100 mark as his or her cost is lowest. So score for a bidder A is equal to 100 minus 110 minus 98 divided by 98. So it is compared with bidder B because its a financial bidding is lowest, multiplied by 100. So we got the bidder A is 87.76. Second is score for a bidder D is equal to 100 minus 100 minus 98 divided by 98 multiplied by 100. So it's a 97.96. So score for a bidder D is a 97.96. So see this table. From the table you exactly seen that marks awarded to be to the cost with comparative score. So bidder A, score of the technical bid is a 80, financial bid is a 110, but marks obtained out of 100 is a 87.96, and bidder B is got the total awarded marks in the cost is a 100 out of 100, and bidder D, score of the technical bid 60, financial bid is a 100, and marks awarded to be cost is a 97.96. Now composite score. So evaluate as a 50% technical and 50% financial. So here both the value we put a 50% technical score means 80% 50% and 87.96 to 50%. So both the summation is a composite score. So average value of the both these composite score. So this composite score is a final value. So now here with the highest composite score, bidder B wins the bid because here bidder B has a 87.50 is a composite score in a technical bid and as well as in a marks obtained or awarded in a lowest cost. Now another alternative scenario, we discuss in a next lecture. So here we stop our topic. Thank you.